Austria versus Altmann features a Viennese socialite, Nazi art thieves, and an international wrangle over a shimmering gold leaf portrait by Gustav Klimt. Ferdinand Bloch, a wealthy Jewish resident of Vienna, inherited 6 Klimt paintings from his wife, Adele Bloch-Bauers, including 2 portraits of her. After Bloch fled Austria in 1938, the Nazis took over his Vienna mansion and all his art. A Nazi lawyer sold 3 of the Klimts to the Austrian Gallery, 1 to a Vienna museum, another to a private collector, and kept 1. Bloch died in 1945. His will left his property to his niece, Maria Altmann, who'd settled in California. Altmann believed Bloch freely donated the Klimts to the gallery before the war. In 1988, a journalist discovered that Ferdinand and Adele hadn't in fact donated the Klimts, although Adele asked Ferdinand to do so in her will. Altmann asked the gallery to return the Klimts to her, citing a new Austrian restitution law under which individuals who were coerced into donating artwork could have it returned. The gallery, however, concluded that Adele's request in her will created a binding obligation for Bloch to donate the paintings. Altmann attempted to sue in Austria, but couldn't afford the court costs, which were assessed in proportion to the value of the recovery sought. Instead, she sued the Republic of Austria and the Austrian Gallery in United States court. Altmann argued that the gallery acquired the paintings through wrongful conduct during the war years. She asserted jurisdiction under the Foreign Sovereign Immunities Act, which makes an exception to the usual rule of sovereign immunity for cases involving property taken in violation of international law. Austria asked the court to dismiss the case based on sovereign immunity, which Austria enjoyed in 1948. It argued that the acts in question took place before the FSIA was enacted, so the exception didn't apply. The district court refused to dismiss the case, and the Ninth Circuit affirmed. The United States Supreme Court granted cert.